Back on the next Arctic adventure today. Seeing that it's not negative 55 below zero anymore, it's actually 5 above today. I was thinking we'd take the old 69 Highboy here and go wheel around in the snow a little bit more now that we're not dealing with such brutal temperatures out. Definitely appreciate all the views on that video though. I can't believe how much that blew up. But yeah, we'll hop in this thing, go have some fun. We're rocking the chains on all fours. The only proper way to rally a Highboy around in the winter time. So we'll get after it here. I knew that hard pack was gonna get me, but we gave it a good effort anyway. Dragging the front diff. Oh, we found the old girl's weak link. Check this out. The front diff is still in the party. But, you know, I think the This thing used to be a plow truck before I got it, and then after it was a plow truck, the fenders got hammered out and it had big swamp tires on it. So, you know, she's seen a lot of life and a lot of hard use. So before everyone freaks out in the comments, this drivetrain was completely trashed already when I got it. I mean, the transfer case doesn't even have rubber mounts anymore. It flops all around. And this thing needs kingpins and, you know, just everything. And I think this rear diff is a Dana 70 or Dana 80. It might even be a dually rear end, I don't know. But I don't think it's original to the truck. Somebody swapped it in. Of course, it's got the big honkin' leaf stacks in it. So she's been upgraded a little bit. But worry not, I have plenty of parts out back. A whole nother rear axle. This one's even rebuildable, I bet. Who knows what happened in there. She sounds pretty grindy and whatnot with the drive shaft spinning, so, you know, away she goes. So now she's just one of those rare front wheel drive only models, you know, collectible. You don't find them too often. Looks like I'm gonna have to go fire up something else and hook a chain to it and rally this thing out of the snowbank. Because turns out 3 or 4 times up it was one time too many for that rear axle. You betcha we're gonna take the 79 and go yank the Highboy out of the snowbank. We're in our attack position. Just listen to that supercharger. Now see, she's a custom, so that means it's automatically overqualified for this job. Now we're ready to party.
Are ya ready, kids?
See, now you want to start off with the low range second gear slam because you get immediate results. If you're going to be one thing, you might as well be efficient. Oh no, the paint. Now we'll keep running around in front wheel drive. See that? Well, I guess you can't see that because there's snow on the windshield. But we're motivated. This ship has taken sail once more. I think we can take her at a low now. Put the old 79 back. I can't see anything. Go until you see smoke and hear noise, I guess. That was fun. We found the weak parts in the drivetrain. I figured it'd be something in the front end first. If you remember, if you watched the negative 55 video, going into that snowbank, there was a loud pop. But watching back the footage of when I was rocking it out of the hard pack down the road, I saw both front wheels were turning, so maybe it was the rear end, who knows. But yeah, way she goes. Have fun with your stuff, blow it up, fix it. It's not that hard, especially when you got a bunch of parts in the backyard. So I guess now we can make a video of popping that rear cover off and see what failed. So that ought to be fun. But until the next video, I'd call that a successful wheeling adventure. We got action with 2 old Fords instead of 1, so that's always neat. But anyways, let me know if you enjoy this kind of stuff, and I'll keep doing it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And until the next video, I'll see you later.